Okay, it's the 1st of March. At least that's when I'm recording this. I don't know when you're going to get to see it. There's probably videos out there you haven't seen. So guess what? I got myself a little treat today. I've purchased from these folks before. I got Wonder Fitter today. Wonder Fitter. They had a Kickstarter. Maybe I'll be able to bring it up for you. It got canceled. They said their weapons looked a little too realistic for custom, or somebody said something. But yet somehow it made it to the U.S. They got canceled on Kickstarter. But they reached out to folks and said, hey, still want to buy it? I said, bet. It arrived a couple days ago. I decided to wait till the day because I want to do a video a day. You know how I is. So I'm going to do an unboxing because I got the whole big deluxe set. Let's see if everything is actually in the box. For all this money, I'm surprised it weighs so little. I'm like, because it's supposed to be 3 systems in here. This is the deluxe. So let's open this sucker up. Maybe I should angle the camera down so you can kind of, I guess it can only go so far. So we're going to have to bring it out a little bit. Okay, so let's see, let's start opening this sucker up. Let's see what we get in here. Let's see if they put everything that was supposed to be in here. It's supposed to get some of my 3D stuff. Whatever. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. On top, we'll start with the M416, which, wait a minute. Okay. I was expecting it all. This is all they sent me. I was sitting around with anticipations, just going like, oh, it was all going to be in here. I mean, I ordered the whole big deluxe set. This was all that was in there. I was wondering why it was so light. I ordered the 416. I ordered the pistol. I ordered the new bow and arrow set. I even ordered all the accessories. It was a big affair. It was a big affair. Well, somebody didn't have an affair. At least let's see what's in this daggone thing, because this is all that came. And I don't have any other numbers from them. So now I got to reach out to the company and go like, is this all I'm getting? Did you screw me over? Because it's been more than 60 days since I paid for this. I paid for this stuff, you know, way back last year. Oh, man. This don't make me feel good now that I opened it. It only came a couple days ago. Dang gum, I'm feeling bad right now. Oh, man, I got good feeling bad. Okay, so let me see what we got here. Everything's supposed to be, you know, true size and everything. I've only used M4s, 416, you know. That's Heckler and Koch. So we got the 416 here. I'll bring this up in a sec. Okay, so here's your part here. Let me get this back on myself here. So let's see, we got our 416. Well, this does not come out like on the, let's see, I got an M9. I got like 3 of the M9s now. Let's see if I got one over here. This is the M9. So is this going to be the blue M9 or the white M9? It's going to be the blue M9. So let's see, here's the M9. So it removes on the M9. Oops. And of course it must not be charged because I don't have any. Oh, it is charged. So let's see if I get any kickback on this one. Well, ain't no charge on it. Maybe I have to charge the handle. Ain't nothing. I wonder if the dust cover works. Dust cover don't work. Is it just stuck in there? So they don't let you pull out the magazine, huh? Well, that sucks. Why don't they let you pull out the magazine, or is this one just, I just got a bad one or something? Okay. Well, you can select. Maybe it was because it was on safe. Let's see. Nope. Automatic. Is that automatic? No. Full save. Well, maybe it's got to be charged up. Nope, you cannot pull this out. Okay. Well, at least it has a red tip so the cops won't do anything to you. How can I believe you cannot pull that out? Well, eventually I'll get that put in or charged. So where do you charge it at? I gotta go read. Wait a minute. You charged it here on here. So some ain't adding up. I don't see anywhere you charge this dang thing. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. Okay, there's a USB right there. Okay. There's only one in here. Dang. Okay, there's your phone holder. I'm just not feeling good. I'm not feeling it. Got to go look at my stuff. There's your red dot. There's the scope. I'm not excited. Here's for your quest. Put in your handle. So it looks like instead of having the little case for it, they must have made a deluxe version and put everything in here. Instead of having it separate like they did for the M9s. I'm still upset that the pistol and the bow and arrow kit were not in here. So that's it for the unboxing. Now I gotta go contact Wonder Fitter and go like, is this it? I paid a lot of money last year when I had some money for the entire shebang, the shaboogie boogie, you know, including the lifetime access to all the future stuff. So now I got to go upstairs and fire off something angry. You know what? I ain't gonna do that. Right out here in front of you. Am I even on the wrong one? Back from the last campaign. I'm on the wrong one. Let's see here. Wonder Fitter. Well, it's been more than a couple days. It's been, even go see, look. Your order has been delivered. See, look. 3-in-1 Ultimate Bundle. Okay, so definitely wasn't a 3-in-1. Your order's on the way. Items in this shipment. Let's see, view my order. Link expired. Send me a new link. I want to see what was in this order. View my order. All it says it was delivered. It was delivered. Doesn't say what was in it. They done screwed me. Sent the wrong daggone. Nope. It shows the entire order being delivered, which is this, the pistol, and the bow and arrow, along with the accessory kits and my VIP stuff. Sons of okay, now I gotta get a hold of somebody. Can't trust anybody these days. Just can't trust anybody. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Woo, I gotta hate them. So anyway, more hate. Glad I did this live or whatever and open this in front of you guys. Because, yeah. Dang, I hate people who do this. This is why I like to do unboxings in front of people. This is why I like to do unboxings and post them on YouTube. It's not just to do. Look at this. Look at this.